Why they have chosen you over other student and why only you got selected in HFTs?
So all the crore wale packages which you are hearing are all HFTs. In every IITs you hear about.
Okay, तो अब आपकी बात करते हैं, आपका पैकेज कितने का लगा?
I was the highest package holder
In among all MTech?
among all MTechs in all IITs.
Oh my god.
My CGPA was 9.
9 और इसके साथ आपने बताया कि एक्स्ट्रा कुछ चीज़ें की थी वो क्या
Yeah.
क्या था? बहुत
So-
सारे बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं जिनका 12th में 75% से अब नहीं आ पाता है,
Yes.
वो IITs नहीं जा पाते हैं।
Yes.
तो क्या यहाँ पे कुछ क्राइटेरिया होता है, अगर गेट और डायरेक्ट एडमिशन ले रहा है तो क्या 12th का परसेंटेज कंसिडर किया जाता है? यू गॉट एडमिशन इन IIT बॉम्बे, सो व्हाट वाज दैट मोमेंट व्हेन यू गॉट द ऑफर लेटर फ्रॉम IIT बॉम्बे? सो व्हाट वाज दैट फीलिंग व्हेन यू आर एंटरिंग द गेट ऑफ IIT बॉम्बे? तो हेलो गाइज, आज है हमारे साथ IIT बॉम्बे के एक एमटेक स्टूडेंट जिनका प्लेसमेंट हुआ है। सो हे गाइज, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो टुडे वी हैव वन ऑफ द एमटेक स्टूडेंट, सो कैन यू इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ?
Hi. Hi, I'm Dhruv Jain. I'm in MTech Computer Science at IIT Bombay. I have recently completed my final year presentation and I am off to set to a new world in placements right now.
Okay. How did you get admission in IIT Bombay? So did you appear for GATE or is there any another approach?
So I completed my bachelor's in electrical engineering from IIT Dharwad. I
Okay.
always wanted to go in computer science and I wanted to do something in India. That is where I found out there is a direct way in IIT Bombay through MTech direct admissions where you don't have to give GATE.
Okay.
But there are certain requirements that you, in order to do computer science, you should have done something related to computer science in your bachelor's and should maintain a good pointer. So given you have a good pointer of around 8.5 to 9 in your bachelor's and you are from some IIT where you are doing courses related to computer science, then you can also opt for a direct admission in IIT Bombay
Okay.
for computer science.
So you did not appear for GATE,
At
you
all.
directly got
Yeah.
admission IIT Bombay through your IIT and this marks.
Yes, I never gave GATE.
Okay. So what are the other thing you have performed for?
So I was in electrical domain, but most of my electives were revolving around computer science. So that is one thing that the instructors here caught eye for and they wanted to select me. There is an interview process for direct admissions. Those who are opting from direct admission, they can apply through the direct portal of IIT Bombay. If shortlisted, they'll get an interview call and if the interview goes fine, they are enrolled in the program. The base requirement is that you have something related to computer science and you're graded above 8.5 or 9 based on IITs which you are applying. For IIT Bombay, you should have a pointer about 8.5 and for IIT Delhi, you should need a pointer about 9.
Okay, so these are the eligibility criteria
Yes.
for getting admission in direct way.
Yes.
So like there are two ways. One you said direct admission,
Direct
one is
admission.
through GATE.
One is
तो
through
आपने GATE क्यों नहीं दिया? मतलब क्या सोचा कि मतलब आपको इतना कॉन्फिडेंस था कि आपको सीधे IIT बॉम्बे में डायरेक्ट एडमिशन हो जाएगा? यार वीडियो में आगे बढ़ने से पहले मैं आपके साथ एक बहुत बड़ी क्वेरी शेयर करना चाहता हूँ। मुझे इंस्टाग्राम और यूट्यूब पे डेली बच्चे मैसेज करके पूछते हैं, भैया गेट के लिए कौन सा प्लेटफॉर्म बेस्ट है? यार सच बताओ, कोई भी प्लेटफॉर्म परफेक्ट नहीं होता है, क्योंकि आपको देखना पड़ता है फैकल्टी, कोर्स स्ट्रक्चर, रिसोर्सेज और प्राइस। क्योंकि आपको देखना पड़ता है वहाँ की फैकल्टीज कैसी है, वहाँ का कोर्स स्ट्रक्चर, वहाँ के प्रैक्टिस रिसोर्सेज और यार प्राइस भी तो मैटर करता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हम कंपेयर करें प्लेटफॉर्म जैसे गीक्स फॉर गीक्स, अनअकैडमी और फिजिक्स वाला, सबके अपने प्रोस एंड कॉन्स होते हैं। और सच बताऊं यार, पर्सनली मुझे सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट क्या लगता है? कॉन्सेप्ट क्लैरिटी और स्ट्रक्चर्ड प्रिपरेशन। तो इसी रीजन की वजह से काफ़ी सारे एस्पिरेंट्स गीक्स फॉर गीक्स के गेट कोर्सेज को एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं, स्पेशली CS और टेक ब्रांचेस के स्टूडेंट्स। यहाँ एक्सपीरियंस फैकल्टीज जैसे चंदन सर, मल्लेश्याम सर, खलील सर और अब्दुल सर कॉन्सेप्ट को सिंपल और एग्जाम फोकस्ड वे में कवर करते हैं। बाकी एंड में प्लेटफॉर्म से ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है आपकी कंसिस्टेंसी। तो अगर आप गेट 27 की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो तो मैं आपको रिकमेंड करूंगा कि आप गीक्स फॉर गीक्स के गेट कोर्सेज को एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो और यहाँ की फैकल्टी सच में बहुत अच्छी है। और हाँ, लिंक मेरे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स और बायो में दिया हुआ है, तो वहाँ जाके भी एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो। सो यार विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो।
So to be honest, it was never clear for me कि what I have to do. मेरे को पता ही नहीं था after my graduation what I should do. I was very much wondering here and there. I was even planning to go for US, masters in US, but then logistics were too difficult for me. And then one day randomly my father is like, on some InShots portal he read that IIT Bombay is accepting new applicants now. So वो टाइम पे मुझे पता चला there is this new way also that you can go to IIT Bombay without giving gate. So I just filled that form randomly. मस्ती में मैंने वो फॉर्म भर दिया. I had no intention to come here. I was like मेरे को क्यों ही सिलेक्ट करेंगे वो लोग. So I was not confident at all. वो हुआ, then I got a call from IIT Bombay that your interview is scheduled, and then things started getting serious. Or else मैं job ढूंढने वाला था after my graduation, but then IIT Bombay was always my dream कि इतना तुम लोग ने JEE पढ़ा है 2 साल, so I want to live in IIT Bombay, and that is when I decided to come to IIT Bombay through direct admission. IIT Bombay was never the plan. It just happened through course of actions and things happened that I am here finally.
Okay. So you have prepared for JEE in 12th.
Yes.
Okay. So you have cleared JEE Advanced also.
Yeah.
Then still you did not appear for GATE. That's
So-
quite strange.
So the thing was, initially I was not okay with GATE. I was like MTech is for loser kind of mentality. But when I am here, this mentality changes. MTech opens a wide range of options for you, and MTech is in India is valuable, given that you are doing it from prestige colleges like IIT Bombay. You have an upper edge when you go to the corporate side of world. So GATE initially for me was like, I have already done BTech in IIT. Let's do something outside India. कुछ बाहर जाके कर लेते already. ये तो कर लिया है. But then I got this opportunity. I met people here. I talked with few of my seniors, and they are like, people die for this opportunity, and you should not let it go. And that is when I came to IIT Bombay.
Okay. So why did you choose IIT Bombay over like ISC or other IITs?
Because I only filled the form for IIT Bombay, and I stay in Mumbai, and it was very convenient for me to go to my home and come back. The reason I did not apply for anything else apart from IIT Bombay was I never knew there is anything like this in the first place. I was applying for Madras, but मैं जब तक अप्लाई करने गया, I found out डेडलाइन चली गई है. Because I was never planned, but these things were never planned. And IIT Bombay का also, if you ask me, मैंने फॉर्म एक दिन पहले भरा है. नेक्स्ट डे अगर मैंने डिले किया होता, IIT Bombay would have said sorry कि deadline is over. So that is things. And IIT Bombay, because I have a preference for my home, I stay in Mumbai. So only IIT Bombay and never applied to anywhere else.
Okay. तो क्या ये केवल मतलब जो बच्चा IIT से BTech कर रहा है वो ही भर सकता है?
Yes.
या जो मतलब उसमें NITs वगैरह बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं या Tier 2 या Tier 3 उनके लिए?
There are qualified list of colleges which are eligible for direct admissions. Exact information is varying from IITs to IITs. For IIT Bombay, only students who have completed their graduation in ECE or CS department can apply from another IIT. But I think IIT Delhi is flexible. It takes 1 or 2 NITs admissions as well. But this is varying based on the IITs. You can go to their admission page and get contact numbers from them and confirm if you are eligible for direct admissions. If yes, you can opt for that way of admission as well.
Okay. एक मेंटलिटी रहती है मतलब जो बीटेक स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं IITs के कि हमें एमटेक नहीं करना, हम तो ऑलरेडी IIT से बीटेक कर रहे हैं.
तो जैसे मैंने बताया कि आई थॉट एमटेक इज फॉर not me because I have already completed BTech in IIT, but that is a myth I would say. MTech actually, you learn a lot. BTech is a fun life I would say, but MTech is a responsible life where you start being responsible and you think about what now. In BTech you never think आगे क्या करना है.
Exactly.
It's just go with the flow, but MTech gives you direction and a clear path in your life. What I want to do after my MTech, I am very clear. But if you ask me मेरे BTech के बाद what I want to do, I was not sure at all.
Okay. So अगर like can you like suggest me how did you manage your college time in BTech?
So
And what other thing did you used to do?
मैं college time तो काफ़ी मस्ती में गया है honestly speaking because of COVID. I was home playing PUBG for 2 years straight I think so. But then I was being productive by learning about AI. 2018-2019 जब AI इतना famous नहीं था, I was during that time doing courses in AI from Udemy and Coursera, and that is I think somewhere helped me a lot in getting an admission in MTech as well, because my MTech specialization is in AI. The project which I was working was around AI, and the instructor which chose me was interested in AI. That is how I got into IIT Bombay.
And nowadays AI is booming also.
Yeah, everyone is talking about AI,
And even I am also doing research in AI in organic chemistry.
Exactly.
So what were the biggest challenge you faced during your journey
During my journey of IIT Bombay, you mean?
to BTech to MTech?
Biggest journey I would say is the dilemma that I am losing a lot of time. I was always in this impression that मेरे पास time नहीं है, everyone is going ahead, मेरे को भी कुछ करना है, and उसके पीछे मैं सब जगह भटक रहा था. I was looking for options in US, looking for jobs here and there, basic jobs, and I was very worried that I have to prove something. I thought मेरे पास time नहीं है, and I think that is not right somewhere. Looking back now, I feel you should take your time, you should not rush into things, and things will fall in place. जैसे IIT Bombay was not in my plan, but eventually with life it took me there,
Go
and
with the flow,
yeah,
right?
so that is how my fear of time was cracked. I was very much into this कि मेरे से कुछ हो पाएगा कि नहीं हो पाएगा after my BTech, but now I am okay, we'll do something, at least we'll manage.
That's great. Come to the like you got admission in
Yes.
IIT Bombay. So what was that moment when you got the offer letter from IIT Bombay?
So imagine a student, JEE preparing student in 12th, the way when if you tell him that he has cleared JEE Advance and he has gotten admission into IIT Bombay, one of the prestigious, you need
Exactly.
ranks in 2 digit in order to come here. And that was my happiness during that time. Chalo BTech में नहीं आ पाया, but by here or there, I am in IIT Bombay. So if there are things which are meant to be, in one way or another it will come to you.
Exactly.
So that is what I feel कि मैंने बहुत मेहनत की थी वो टाइम में. That is the reason, by universe, by nature, by laws, I am destined to come to IIT Bombay.
Anyhow you got the IIT.
Yeah, I wanted to come sooner, but there I durusai. I came to IIT Bombay somehow as an MTech student, but I came.
So what was that feeling when you were entering the gate of IIT Bombay?
It's remarkable. I would say I would never forget that moment. It's always been a dream of a 16-year-old to be in IIT Bombay. I've always talked and dreamt about that scene कि मैं IIT Bombay में पढ़ रहा हूँ, this classrooms, this professors, research, and roaming around in the campus was my dream, and I've lived through that dream.
Okay. So how was your experience at IIT Bombay?
I would say it's unreal, given that it's IIT Bombay. अंदर आने के बाद Bombay feel ही नहीं होता. It's like you are in some hill station.
Exactly.
बाहर there is a lot of honking, tall build, and inside you come, अचानक से there is a transition into a smooth, calm environment. People are working, there's greenery all around. It's peaceful and satisfying at the same time. You like being in Mumbai while you are not in Mumbai. So busy life of Mumbai से थोड़ा break मिल जाता है when you are in the campus. You see things are going smoothly and not everyone is rushing जैसा बाहर मुंबई में भी see.
Exactly. So like how's the academic pressure in MTech, like academic pressure and peer pressures, everything, professor,
Yeah.
quiz, test.
So definitely there is some pressure, but given that you are interested in a particular topic, that pressure feels like passion. You have to work towards it to get through things done. In MTech, you particularly have to focus on some research areas. So given that your views aligned with your professor well, you will enjoy your journey here. But agar your professor is troubling you, you will have a hell of a journey here. So I hope whoever is coming here, he gets a good professor.
ठीक है. तो जैसे बहुत सारे बच्चे मैंने देखा है जो गेट के थ्रू आते हैं, किसी का AIR 1 है, 2 है, 3 है,
Yes.
और एक आप जो डायरेक्ट एडमिशन
AIR 0.
तो कितना खुशी मिला आपको उस टाइम?
I am very happy कि
मतलब गेट के लिए करते तो मेहनत तो करना पड़ता है,
definitely.
जैसे आपने JEE एडवांस के लिए किया
Definitely.
था, तो उतना अपना रातें मतलब पढ़ना
Yeah,
पड़ता,
yeah.
तो आपको डायरेक्ट मिल गया एडमिशन, और तो कितना मतलब खुशी मोमेंट था वो.
So the thing is, मैंने लोगों को देखा है giving 1 year to GATE, they actually dedicate a year to GATE and then come here. For me, मैंने मस्ती में अप्लाई किया and I got a call on the next day. Was very peaceful to me कि मेरे को इतना मेहनत नहीं करना पड़ा of giving GATE. I was planning to give GATE अगर मेरे को IIT बॉम्बे आना होता तो, because मेरे को तभी डायरेक्ट एडमिशन के बारे में पता ही नहीं था. This is something which एक दिन पहले ही मेरे को पता चला and I applied it without even editing my resume. जो भी बचा कुचा टूटा फूटा रेज्यूमे था, आई जस्ट गेव इट सोच के कि नहीं होने वाला है मेरा, एंड थिंग्स टर्न्ड आउट वेल फॉर मी, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि मेरे को वो
बट उसके पीछे आपने JEE एडवांस में जो मेहनत की थी वो
समवेयर इफ यू सी इट्स हियर और देयर, पहले मेहनत करो या बाद में करो, बट देन डायरेक्ट एडमिशन वाले आर लिटिल बिट ब्लेस्ड बिकॉज वो जो गेट का स्ट्रेस होता है फॉर 8 months और 6 months, वो आई डिड नॉट हैव टू गो थ्रू दैट.
ओके. तो जैसे आप गेट के थ्रू नहीं आए, तो जब आपका प्लेसमेंट हुआ होगा तो
Yes.
उसमें कुछ कंसीडर किया गया था वो चीज़?
यस, So basically, a lot of companies do ask for your GATE score, GATE ranks, and उसके हिसाब से they take your admission. Majorly PSUs. PSUs are very concerned with what was your GATE performance. But for me, I was lucky because there were companies which considered me, even though I did not give GATE, considered me as an equal candidate to the GATE applicants and went with the process without any discrimination based on the GATE scores.
So come to the placement. How's the placement at IIT Bombay in 2025?
Okay, so I think this subject is very emotional to us. A lot of people here are looking forward to hearing answers on this कि placement कैसा होता है MTech में, MTech CSE में what is the scene. So I would tell you, recently the market is not that well. पहले जैसा CS का boom चल रहा था, now it's kind of saturated. But then I think there are opportunities if you are well updated with the technologies, the latest technologies. If you are okay with it, you have understandings in AI. Rest assured, you'll get a good job. माहौल बहुत टेंशन होता ही है because everyone is worried. They want to do something for themselves. They want to do something for their family. Everyone is here to prove themselves. So placement week is a hectic week, no doubt. There are ups and downs. जो select हो जाते they are parting. जो select नहीं हो रहे होते वो lead code कर रहे होते बैठ के. So I was luckily selected on day one. So मेरा pressure ज़्यादा time तक नहीं गया. But there were students who went till day 15 and day 16 के बाद भी there are students still did not get placed. For them life was a bit not good because they had to see others enjoy and they were not able to enjoy themselves.
Okay. So how was your placement day?
Okay. So I got selected in the first company which I interviewed.
Okay.
And the results were announced the next day. So I was in trauma for one particular day कि मेरा selection हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ है. But now when I think कि मेरा first interview ही निकल गया, I am very happy.
अब आगे और नहीं देना है.
Yeah. The company which I sat for was the first interview. In the morning there was, I think there was 3 interviews aligned for me on day 1. 1 in the morning and 2 in the afternoon sessions. So 1 हो गया, I was not very confident. I went for 2 and 3 interviews also and then waiting रात को कि अभी क्या result आएगा, तीनों companies का क्या result आएगा. And in the morning before day 2, day 1 के results आए and I knew कि मुझे day 2 के placements में नहीं जाना है. I am already done for this placement and I was very happy that मैंने सब कपड़े वपड़े खोल के सो गया था मैं उस दिन शांति से without talking to.
ओके, दैट्स ग्रेट. तो जैसे कि मेरे को पता चला है कि जो बीटेक का हाईएस्ट पैकेज 2.3 करोड़ था,
DaVinci.
वो भी HFTs ही कंपनी है.
So all the करोड़ वाले packages which you are hearing are all HFTs in every IITs you hear about.
ओके, तो अब आपकी बात करते हैं, आपका पैकेज कितने का लगा?
So I would say it's decent. It's 8 figures, but I don't think I'm allowed to give you right numbers.
ओके, मतलब बेस्ड ऑन माय नॉलेज जितना मेरे को पता चला कि एमटेक का हाईएस्ट पैकेज 96 LPA है. मे बी वो आप ही हो शायद.
So I'll say you, I was the highest package holder
इन अमंग ऑल एमटेक.
among all MTechs in all IITs.
Oh my god.
So for this year, that's the scene.
Congratulations for securing highest package among all IITs and all the best for your future.
Thank you so much, Prashant.